Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel IT4U. Today we are going to discuss how to set a book cover on image by using Adobe Photoshop. For this we first need to go to Adobe Photoshop. Here we have an image of book, and we are going to set a book cover on it. Firstly, we need to create a copy of book. For this we first need to go to Select button in the top menu bar. Now look for the subject and click on it. Here you can see it has created the selection of the book. Now go to the Selection tool and look for the Object Selection tool. Now we need to remove the additional selected area, which will not be the part of book cover. Press Alt key and mouse click, then create selection of the extra part. Here we go. Now, press Ctrl+J to create its copy. Now create a new layer. Right-click on New Layer and look for Create Clipping Mask, and click on it. Now go to the book cover image. And press Ctrl+A then Ctrl+C to copy the image. Now go back to the previous tab. Go to the filter and look for the vanishing point, and click on it. Now follow the steps and create the selection of area where we need to place the book cover. Here we go. Now, press Ctrl+V to paste the book cover image, which we had copied earlier. Now follow the steps and resize the image according to the size of book cover. Here we go. Now press OK. Here we go. Now we need to select the mode of this layer to multiply. Now go to the effects and look for blending option. And adjust the parameters of underlying layer by pressing Alt key and mouse click. Here we go. We have created an amazing looking book cover. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. For more related videos, comment us on comment box, and must subscribe the channel. Have a nice day.